In this week's portion, Shelach Lecha, we find the Israelites poised to enter the land of Israel. They had marched from Mount Sinai and are about ready to enter the land only 2 years after leaving Egypt. Moses sends a representative of each tribe, so he sends 12 scouts to tour the land of Israel for 40 days and report back to the community as to how they are best able to enter the land of Israel. These 12 tribes scout out the land. They bring back some produce with them. 10 of them, based on what they see, report to the community that the cities are too well fortified and the inhabitants are like giants, that it would be impossible to take over the land of Israel. 2 other scouts, Joshua and Caleb, report back after seeing the exact same thing, saying that with God's help, we'll be able to enter the land of Israel. Didn't matter how well fortified the cities are or the nature of the inhabitants. They knew, seeing the same thing, that they would be able to enter the land. So the question is, how is it that 12 people can see the exact same thing, 10 people can have a negative opinion and be pessimistic, and 2 can be positive and optimistic about that? It highlights our own perspectives on life and teaches us how best to be able to respond to things that we see around us and events that happen in our lives. What is the best kind of attitude or perspective to have in order to confront the world around us and to overcome tragedy, for example, in our lives? Is it best to see things always in a negative perspective, or best to see them in the positive perspective? And what can help us be able to overcome? Certainly we learn from Joshua and Caleb that faith in God was important enough for them and enough to know that they can overcome anything. If only we had such strength within ourselves to always be able to see things around us in a positive light. Shabbat Shalom.